crayon. In our class, Jamal grabbed the last blue crayon. Sophia needed the blue too. Her picture looked unfinished. Jamal paused, then broke the crayon in half. Now we both have blue, he said. Both pictures ended up on the wall. Two artists, one choice to share.
Hi guys! Jamal and Sophia learned something really important. Sometimes we all want the same thing, like the last crayon. But when we share, everyone gets a turn to be happy and create something special. Sharing means letting someone else use something that we like. And it also makes our friends feel good. So next time you see a friend who wants to play with your toy or use your crayon, try sharing. You might make a new friend and you'll feel happy too. Bye guys.